Hello friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to enable WhatsApp backup on Google Drive WhatsApp setting. So friends, before we continue this step, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Then here you have to click on this three dot. Then here you have to click on setting. Okay, here you have to move on chats. Okay, so scroll your finger to chat backup. So click on it. If you want to enable your WhatsApp backup on Google Drive, just click on backup to Google Drive. Okay, then you'll find the daily or weekly, monthly, when only when I tap backup. Okay, you just choose any and it will be enabled. Okay, just choose any. Don't click on never. Click on only when I tap backup, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, click on this four option. Okay, it will be enable your backup on WhatsApp. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.